Hello, it's Martin, and it's time to speak about power supplies. Now, first of all, power supplies. There's a few things you should do. First of all, make sure it's a known brand of power supplies. You know, this was the 80 plus, which will be here. Also, make sure it's not a Chinese rip-off, because you'll get your power supply, you'll connect it all up again, and you'll go right, and blue smoke, and half the stuff may be dead. Please advise you buy a good brand. This is a Corsair HX1000. This is what I've been using for the last couple of years, and it's been good, but I've had a few issues, so it's time to bring out the big dog. Oh, it's heavy. The MX1000. Sorry, the HX1000. 1000 of pure watts of pure platinum power. Oh, sorry, I'll put this to one side. So, also, big warning message. Warning, blah blah blah. Please, if you have an ASUS Sport, an ASUS power supply, if you've got any other power supplies, do not presume that the pin layout will be the same as a Corsair. I warn this again. Please do not mix your power supplies with another brand, because you may find, oh, they look the same pin out, but they may have a different layout and turn out that you have no idea. So please don't do this. That's my only warning. Now, because I'm running a AMD 9500X in this, I have not connected any of my hard drives because it's taking up too much wattage. So I thought, right, let's bring out the 1000 watts. And also I may be getting a 3080 at some point, 3070. I have no idea when that upgrade will come, but stay tuned. You'll know when I know. It's due as pricey and all that. So I'll have a wee table right now and I'll show you the different power supplies, so pause if you want to read that lovely table. So yeah, so this is gold and this is platinum. I think you get titanium as well, but that's overkill. So if you're doing your like major overclocking, you'll need titanium, and you need 1000 plus, because if you're doing really higher power overclocking, you would need a higher supply. Like, I think 850 is good. It's not giving me the efficient power that I need to acquire all the stuff I run in the system. So let's get this box aside. Now, of course, let's see what you get in this box. This is completely modular. Sorry, this is material. So I have bought this with my own money. Of course, I didn't send this nice care package to me. Let's make that clear now. Now, because you can't get much demand with graphics cards, CPUs, and you're thinking, what can I upgrade? Well, you can upgrade the case. I'm not upgrading this case because I really like this case, even though I've seen the 500DX Corsair one, I think it's called. That's a really nice case. I really like it. And I'm thinking, oh, I really want to build. But you know what? This case is really good. I really like this case. I'll work out how to open this box. I don't want to rip it. Oh, there we go, we're in. So. Okay. Oh, hope I don't need that. For what? The holes in the plastic pack off. There we go. What is... oh. Some sticker. That's okay. Concealer. So first of all, you get a wee box. Big book. Telling you everything about it. In all different languages, from English to whatever. Important information. Do not eat this. This is like, do not eat. Wow, isn't this is on this thing? So, okay, I don't need that. Power by Corsair. No, won't be needing that. Some tie wraps. A wee baggie. That's always handy to have. That's with all the cables. So in here will be all your bags. So yeah, you get quite a lot of stuff in here already. So what cables do you get? You get the CPU, PCIe, PCIe. Let's label this. How much you get for your money? PCIe. Wow, loads of PCI cables. SATA. SATA. PCIe. More SATA. CPU. Way more SATA. Motherboard. 24 pin. PCIe. So you get how many? 4 PCIe, 2 CPU, you're both. So yeah, that was it. As much SATA as you want. So that runs your fans, your water cooling loop, yeah, all needs SATA. And your big 24 pin. So good. And of course, the main show is the MX1000. So yeah, wow, that's a. Do you hear that? That's the on and off thing. So smell electronics. It's always refreshing. Now. Let's get into my case. Very neatly done, I would say myself. Yes. Confession time. If you haven't seen my 1 year video, I did video this. I said I'll do in real time. I state that quite clearly. That video took me 7 hours to keep on running this computer. And there's nowhere. Now, I haven't done. Sorry, just seen something. No, don't bore you to death. I'm going to get this power supply out here, all the cables out, and put all these fresh cables in, and then we'll take it from, and then we'll have a wee montage and how it all looks, because I'm not boring you to death, because this video, it's going to take me a while to do this. Now, I could, because it's Corsair, and I presume it's the same layer, but I don't want to take the chance. Rule of thumb, and I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure the comments will say, no, you should have been fine, just it'll be plug and play. I don't want to take that chance. This is my own system. I can't phone a brands and say, I need a new power supply. No, this is my own. I'm going to be doing it. So, what we'll do is, I'll get this out and you'll see the next shot. You'll see a nice montage in the next clip on how it looks like. So, here we go. Okay people, it's the next day and the computer is fully working now. So, that's good. So let's turn this off before it goes through. That's it. So, refresh it. The battery died just 2 years today, so I got this computer up and running, so I know it all works, so I just wanted to show you it all works now. So, this is the HX1000, all installed and all working properly. So, was it worth the upgrade? I would say so, yes. It's giving me some headroom for some of my next upgrades that I want to do, that I'm planning to do. Still need to buy the product, but I'll take time and cash. So now what do I do with the RM500 X? I might put that in myself actually. No point having that. Might as well give that some extra power as well. Actually might actually run better. So I won't show you a video of that. That's just a simple hot swap. I say that, but yeah, I say that now, but probably something will go wrong. I don't know what it does with computers. You do these upgrades and something always goes wrong. So, I do recommend the product. It's just a power supply, so these are easy upgrades you can do since there's a massive shortage of chips, GPUs through the roof. So these are some of the upgrades you can do. So when you want to water cool it, or when you want that, finally got that power supply through the shuffle that you are doing, you can do this. So yeah, so okay, so what I'll do is I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.